Magic recipe for fastest hair growth naturally. All are surprised by the results. When someone complains of hair loss or baldness, aging is the first thing that comes to mind. But aging is not the only factor that is the culprit nowadays. Thanks to our modern lifestyle, the environment, and the associated factors like pollution, stress and toxins in food, even young people are beginning to suffer from hair loss. Hair loss has become a big menace for both the sexes, and affects everyone's confidence. When faced with the dilemma, people often use different methods to achieve their old looks. But most often they end up messing up things. All the chemicals that companies advertise actually don't deliver the desired results. Then there is the option of hair transplantation, but it is too expensive for everyone. So how are you going to treat your hair loss problem without using ineffective and costly methods? We have come across the best and safest way to treat hair loss and baldness, and the truth is that it does work. This method doesn't require you to get costly or artificial chemicals. You can prepare the treatment right at home. The best thing is that it requires nothing more than 3 ingredients. Recipe for fastest hair growth. The following guide will tell you how to prepare this almost free remedy. Castor oil 2 tablespoons, egg yolk from 1 egg, honey 1 tablespoon. Take a bowl and mix all these ingredients together. Stir well to ensure that they are mixed properly. Apply the mixture smoothly on the hair roots and the length of the hair. Put on a shower cap and wait for at least 2 hours. Wash the hair with shampoo/conditioner. You may also use hair mask. Apply it at least once a week and follow the routine for 2 months. Benefits of remedy for hair regrowth. Castor oil. This oil has been used for thousands of years for treating hair loss. It has strong antifungal and antibacterial properties. It helps eliminate dandruff, infections of the scalp and folliculitis. The ricinoleic acid present in castor oil helps in improving blood flow to the hair roots, scalp, and promotes hair growth. Studies show that it has the potential to improve hair growth by as much as 5 times. Honey is itself a powerful antioxidant that also has great fungicidal and germicidal benefits. When combined with its natural wax, all these properties make honey the perfect hair conditioner that prevents hair loss. Egg yolk. Egg yolk has amino acids and proteins which are great nutrients for the hair. Besides, it contains several other nutrients required for faster and healthier hair growth. The biotin found in yolk helps in renewing the hair follicles and roots. All these 3 ingredients make the perfect mixture for healthier and fast-growing hair. When they are mixed together in this remedy, the benefits for your hair are stunning. There is no need to mess with different chemicals and unproven methods. Your hair will regrow in the shortest possible time and you will again be a proud owner of long and beautiful hair. You will gain your self-esteem and confidence and both feel great. This hair loss remedy is the best option you will choose for healthy and smooth hair. My sister used this remedy and had to stop as it made her hair grow like crazy. Hair loss is a problem which affects millions of people in the world. It is not just an aesthetical problem, it can significantly affect your self-esteem as well. The main causes of hair loss are poor nutrition, environmental pollution, improper hair care, using products full of chemicals and genetics. In order to protect your hair from damage and hair loss, you need to start eating a healthy diet, reduce the use of hair dryers and iron, and stop using those harmful hair products we all have in our bathroom. Instead of the harmful shampoos and other hair products, there are many natural remedies that can help. The recipe we have for you today is super effective, and can regrow your hair in only a couple of months. The remedy only requires patience and consistency. Start using it today, and you will enjoy rich hair again. People who have tried it have reported incredible results, so you may want to try it as well. The remedy is simple to prepare if you follow the instructions below. Once you start using it, we assure you that the results will be noticeable shortly. Here's what you need to do. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of castor oil, 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of honey. Preparation. The preparation is simple, just mix all the ingredients, until you get a homogeneous mixture, then apply it on your hair and scalp and massage it gently. Now, put a shower cap on your head, and let the remedy work for 3 hours. Rinse your hair as usual in the end, and repeat the procedure twice a week to make your hair grow like crazy. This ingredient will make your hair and eyelashes grow like crazy. Castor oil has numerous beauty and health benefits, such as boosting hair growth. The oil is full of vitamin E, and omega-9 fatty acids which feed your hair and follicles and allow them to grow faster. The oil has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can treat numerous skin and hair problems, and is also rich in numerous minerals and proteins. Castor oil contains unsaturated fats, which are responsible for its restorative properties. Its main compound is ricinoleic acid, which has been known to treat and prevent fungal, bacterial, and mold infections. However, it is mainly known for its ability to boost hair growth. It is so effective that rubbing a couple of drops on your scalp every day will significantly improve the process. According to Dr. David Williams, castor oil can also improve your lymph flow. There is no other remedy that can boost the lymph flow, but topical application of castor oil can surely help, he says. The ricinoleic acid in the oil is also responsible for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can treat inflammatory processes in the digestive system and resolve numerous digestive problems. Here's what else castor oil can help you with: treats gastrointestinal problems, reduces menstrual pain and cramps, treats acne and other skin disorders, reduces headaches, relieves sunburns, treats fungal infections such as athlete's foot, treats dandruff and protects the scalp from infections. Castor oil packs. Castor oil packs are a great natural remedy against kidney stones, irritable bowel syndrome, fibroids, painful joints, ovarian, digestive and menstrual problems. To prepare the pack, put a few drops of the oil on gauze, and apply it on your skin, then put a bottle of hot water over it, and wrap everything with a towel. Leave the pack to work for an hour, then remove it and clean the area with water. Repeat the process up to 3 times a week for best results. To boost the growth of your hair and eyelashes, prepare a mixture of 20 ml panthenol, 30 ml castor oil and 15 drops of garlic oil. Apply the mixture on your eyelashes every day, and they will start growing like crazy. She rubbed an aspirin in her hair. What happened a few hours later is fantastic. The white flakes of dandruff are not only visible on your scalp but also fall on your clothes. This makes it all the more embarrassing. There are several shampoos out there in the market which promise to help get rid of dandruff, and while some prove to be effective, there are others which yield no results. However, those who prefer natural home remedies may find that adding crushed aspirin to your shampoo can do the trick. Aspirin is known for its ability to heal minor aches and pains. It contains salicylates, the same active ingredient in medicated shampoos containing salicylic acid. Have you ever used aspirin for your hair? Aspirin can remove excess oil from the hair, making hair soft, shiny, and lush. Many people have a positive experience in wholly eliminating dandruff with its use. Here's how to use it. The use of aspirin to combat dandruff is a 2-step process. 1. First, you need to mix a couple of crushed tablets with your usual shampoo and apply it to your scalp in the normal way while you shower. Once the mixture has rested for a few minutes, rinse thoroughly. 2. Then massage the mixture of aspirin and warm water into the scalp and let it work for 10 minutes. Again, rinse, and then dry your hair with a towel. How it works? Aspirin contains salicylic acid, the same active ingredient that is used in many anti-dandruff shampoos. It can be used to reduce the scalp inflammation that causes dandruff and exfoliate flakes on the skin.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.